Good afternoon, everyone. Now I am going to tell a story. Name of the story is The Emperor's Nightingale. An emperor's palace was located near a forest. Every night, a nightingale sang melodious tunes. This made him happy. One day, the emperor asked for her to be brought to the palace. Why can't I keep the nightingale to myself? Then I can listen her songs anytime I want, he thought. So when the nightingale finished singing, she was put in a cage. This made her so sad. Seeing her upset, a servant opened the cage. She flew away happily, but the emperor missed her songs and fell ill. One night, the nightingale flew back to the palace and sang the beautiful songs. Listening to it, the emperor recovered and thanked the nightingale. Since then, the nightingale flew to the palace every night and sang. He then fell asleep peacefully. Moral of the story: freedom is precious. Thank you.